choose coatings for your project, you are selecting a reliable partner. And excellent coating manufacturer is far more than just a factory filling cans with liquid. It should be the solid backbone of your creativity. First, R&D is the core drive. How manufacturer RS, BOS sets advanced laboratories. Constant line tackling challenges such as adhesion, weather resistance, and environmental sustainability. They provide not only products, but also tailored solutions for different materials and environments. Second, quality stems from strict control. From raw material selection and automated production, lines to rigorous final inspections. Every step determines the ultimate durability and performance of the coating film. Consistent quality control is the lifeline of a manufacturer's reputation. Third, accomplished service system. A reputable manufacturer offers end-to-end services from color consultation and application guidance to technical support. Their focus is on helping your project succeed, not just selling a can of paint. Fourth, insight into future trends. Whether it's Shire, environmental standards, or trending colors and textures, leading manufacturer RS stay ahead of the curve, empowering designers and craftsmen with innovative products. Choosing a manufacturer means selecting a synthesis of quality, technology, service, and responsibility. It defines the foundation of your work and shapes its ability to stand the test of time. In your experience, what is the most important trait of a great manufacturer? Feel free to share your thoughts.
大家好。